If my daughter don't do one thing, she gonna make me get up in her head and get to braiding and doing something. But the good thing about it is she don't mind being a model for anything that I want to do, except when I want to do bantu knots. Like, how disrespectful. Well, anyway, in this video, I'm showing you guys how I did the lemonade braid, Fulani hairstyle, tribal hairstyle, or braids to the side, whatever y'all want to call it. And I'm just doing the top part. If you want to see the full video, go to my YouTube channel, go to my Facebook channel, go to one of my videos, or click this video so you can see the full process. I'm just kidding, y'all. But yeah, I'm just braiding and I'm feeding in little bitty pieces in her hair. I'm grabbing it from my braiding rack and I am just braiding it down. And that's pretty much how I'm doing it. This hairstyle lasts about 3 weeks with her hair texture, which is like a 3A, 3B. The girl got good loose curls. And I'm not saying if you got tight curls, it ain't good. But what I'm saying is her hair could have lasted a little bit longer if her hair texture was a little bit different. But 3 weeks is good. You need to wash that dirty scalp. She did wear a scarf, a silk scarf at night. She didn't get it wet too much, but she did go swimming. As long as you rinse it out and let it air dry throughout the day, you pretty good. You won't have no mildew. She did oil her scalp and all that good stuff. She did wear a shower cap when she wasn't swimming, and that's how she maintained this hairstyle. In this video, I am not showing you guys how I do the ends, but if you want to see how I did the ends, again, go and check out my full video. This is a boho hairstyle, so you guys know it's curly, but if you want to see how I did it, you can go ahead and watch it. I did map out the parts, and I'm not even going to hold you guys up. I mapped it out, then I remapped it, then I remastered it, then I remapped it. Like, I did it a whole bunch of times because I just couldn't make up my mind what design. Also, leave a comment below if you tried this hairstyle because I want to know how it turned out. Did you have any problems? Did you have to map it out? Was your client satisfied? Leave any comments below. Let me know if you like how I'm doing it. If you have any questions, comment also below. You know your girl love to let y'all know how I do the process and all that good stuff. I'm not a gatekeeper by any means. I literally like to help anybody that's new or trying to learn the stuff about certain braids and all that good stuff, the braid game. You know, I just like to drop as many gems as possible, you know, just so you guys can know what you're doing and not messing up your own hair or somebody else's hair. Also, I want to say that no matter how many times you got to remap it out or repart it or anything like that, as long as you're trying to perfect it, it is all good. There's not a number of times where you have to not be able to do it. I mean, I would suggest not doing it on a paid client too many times because you want them to know, like, to trust you or whatnot, or just communicate like, I'm in a limbo. I don't know if I want to go with this design or that design, and ask them if the design that you're creating is something that they like, because sometimes picturing it in your head and putting it on paper is two different things. In this case, on the person's head is two different things. So yeah, just keep redoing it. Of course, I didn't check in with my daughter about it because she just wanted her hair done. And if you know, you know. It don't matter. She had trust in me. She knew that no matter what, I was going to have her hairstyle looking the bomb. The bomb. So she didn't mind me reparting it. As long as it's looking good, she was okay. Because the perfectionist in me is just ridiculous. And if you guys know, you guys know. I will part and part and part until it's right, until it's straight. I want you to be able to see them parts from afar. I don't want you to be guessing, like, is that a part or not a part? Like, it gotta be crispy. If you want to know the products that I use, just look in the description box on the full tutorial and it'll have everything with links on where to purchase it. I like to purchase my stuff online because it comes to my house. I don't have to worry about anything. It comes right to my house, because the struggle be real. Sometimes your girl be busy and I just cannot make it to a hair store. So I just order it online from Amazon and it be cheaper. So all my little braiding gels and stuff like that. So if you want to know all the things, just go and look at my description and order your stuff. Because I'm telling you, it's so convenient, especially if you're a busy braider. If you haven't already, please subscribe, follow me. If you're watching this from TikTok or Instagram, I'm really trying to up the game on my followers and subscribers and my watch hours and all that good stuff. Because your girl is one, I'm trying to go live on TikTok. So if you're watching this on TikTok, please follow me because I've been struggling to get to this 1,000. I'm not as consistent on posting, but when I do post, I try to give y'all some great content. So yeah, just follow me, please. If you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe, please.